mac and cheese pasta. Here are the ingredients. 40 grams of butter, 4 tablespoons of cheese, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of milk, some boiled pasta. I don't have macaroni pasta, so I'm using twisty pasta. First step is take the butter and melt the butter. Use a whisk. The butter is melted. The next step is you put the 2 tablespoons of flour and mix. Mix fast. Otherwise it will form solid. Keep on mixing. Don't stop. Slowly add 2 cups of milk. Continue to mix. Allow to boil. Mix and allow to boil. Now it is fully thickened. Now you add salt and pepper to taste. And mix. And turn off the heat. Transfer it into a big bowl and now add the cheese. Mix. So now it is thickened, you can see, right? Now it is time to add the pasta. Oh no, put too much. It's okay. You can just mix it. Put all this. Mix it properly. It is mixed and transfer it into a baking tray using a spoon. Put it to the sides. If you have no space in your baking tray, don't put everything. On top. Now you put it in the air fryer and air fry for 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The yummy pasta casserole is ready.